In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up goals in Twitch. So first of all, what you want to do is make sure you're logged in, go over to here and go to create a dashboard. Now, on the left here, you want to go over to Stream Manager. And then down here, you want to go to this quick actions menu. It may be somewhere else if you've moved it, but it will look like this. Now you want to press add and you want to scroll down to the goals, so manage goals here. Now you may already have this installed, and if you do, it will say remove. If you don't, it'll press add. So once you've added that, there's also other options here, but that's what we're going to go for. Once you've done that, you can click off and you can click on manage goals. So here we can put in the follower goal that we want. So our goal is, let's say it's 100 followers. Then description, I will, or PS5 giveaway at 100 followers, for example. Now you can customize the colors here, whatever you want to do. And then you can set up goal alerts if you'd like to. And that's the goal set up. So now if you want to put this into your streaming software, what you're going to do is go down here to the browser source here. And you want to copy this. Now you want to open up your streaming software like Streamlabs, whatever you're using. And you're going to want to add a new source. And the source type is going to be browser source. Click add source. I'm going to click add new source. I'm going to put goal, add source. Okay, so where it says URL, you want to put your goal URL. So put that here. And if you go back, it says set the browser source width and height to 1480 by 160. So I'm going to do that. 1480 by 160. And then you can hit close. So now this will be here. When I press start goal, cool, successfully this has been started. Now you can see it's popped up here into Streamlabs, and now you can fiddle around with this, resize it, put it where you would like to put it, and this will be overlaid on your stream. And that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.